Welcome, this is the Realme Narzo 50 Pro and I'll show you how to turn on Always On Display option on this device. So to do that, we should open the Settings app and then tap the home screen to the Wallpaper and Style section. Then click to Always On Display. So to activate AOD option, we should tap only once on the switcher. If you want to change the display settings, for example, to display it in power setting mode by shadowed or just all day, you should switch it here, and we can change also the information like the time, date, battery and notifications. So that's how to activate Always On Display option on our Realme device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.